Okay, so there's this vending machine full of crazy stuff, and all my friends here are doing a last to move your hand off the vending machine wins everything inside. And we've all been training super hard for this, but the hardest part's gonna be the no! So we've only been on here for like a couple minutes. Nick, how?
The ball and totally took his hand.
You left for a football. This thing is full of money. Your priorities are whack. Okay, so the sun's starting to set. We're starting to get like kind of tired. Let me just. Was that real? Was that 100% real? But I don't know which person. Okay, let me actually show you guys what's in here. There's like rows of ones, and then there's candy, and then more money. It's freaking. Is that my wallet? Who put that in there? I can't leave now. That has everything in there. So Drage was able to find some. Drage was able to find some candy.
How'd you get that?
He found it in the bucket.
Why'd you sharing?
I want to give you guys a view. I'm gonna give you guys a view of inside here.
I donated $1,001.
This is what it looks like. Oh. Do you guys have some money? I'll get you in a second. Ew. What the? Did you just lick my hand?
Yeah.
Bro, I've been touching this thing all over.
I've been in my butt for the last 20 minutes before this.
Dude, before I put my hand on this vending machine, I was knuckles deep just itching my butt. I am so thankful for Drage. Wait, can you drop a couple of those in there? Ow, I hit my tooth.
Taste the rainbow.
No.
Wait, yeah. Guys, I literally spit on Nick's hand because he licked mine.
Ew!
Nick came out to me and licked my hand.
It's so blown out.
I just loogied on it. And it's a different color because of the green.
Ew!
Napkins in my bag.
All right, we're playing dirty here. You know that you can move around on this thing? Look at this. Wait, Nick, I gotta go under you. I'm just testing out the space. As long as you don't take your hand off. No, that's too scary.
You guys,
Drew can't vlog anymore.
They start with him filming on his camera, and then they just go to my camera because Drew always forgets to charge his stuff.
I want to show the people that are on this vending machine. We got Drew. Oh, you almost lost. Capron. This is your channel this is going on, right?
Yes, sir.
No, you're gonna keep it over
Capron
there
Funk
for a bit.
channel. And then Drage. Drage, this was your idea. It's insane. I should have you in frame like, Drage, this was your idea. And then Nick.
You wanna do your handshake? It's recording.
Yeah, hold on. Let me use my other hand. Let me just shut the camera. Ready? Here, we'll do it with this. That was a solid handshake. You trying to get me to take this hand off? No way! Freaking Drew's trying to cheat! This has all been for YouTube. Thank you for what? No.
I'm gonna go to the hospital now. Get new fingers.
I'm gonna go cry about something totally different. We're playing like that. I'm taking this shit. This is so sketchy. I don't want this. I'm freaking. This sketch. I am not letting go. Capron. I have to move. I have to run. This is intense. I'm gonna freaking.
I'm getting sandwich.
Dude! Drew, are you off? No! He's freaking cute. Look at his face. He's. Look at him. It's like every scary movie ever. I cannot lose ever. It's literally just a bunch of grown men touching a box, and I'm sweating so hard right now. Nick, I'm willing to barter with you. It's been a couple hours. If I, for my channel, knock your hand off of this, just for my channel,
Okay.
we split the candy.
Hour and 30 minutes in.
That was so close. You are mine. I promise.
Hey Billy,
What?
you wanna team up? Get Nick out? Oh, or not. Come this way.
This is too sketch for me. This is too sketch. I gotta hide. Capron's been up here the whole time. He's the smartest. What if I just started like go until you fell? It's too heavy. No! No, I did not! No! You did this to me! That was so fun. All right, well, I'm gonna show you guys the winner. Look, you can see the shine of where he licked my hand.
Guys, it's been another 30 minutes. We're 2 hours in right now.
Look at that. Now you get a full view. This is all we've been doing. And I'm sweating so hard because people playing dirty. Oh no! There goes all the water supply. This is when it happens. This is when it happens. We're narrowing it down. Oh! There's no way! You kept your hand. Yes! Yes! We are down to 2. So now it's just Drage and Capron. Dragey.
That's your workout. I don't know why I'm getting a workout from last to take your hand off my vending machine. Bro,
It's scary, and there's a lot of candy at stake. There's a lot of candy. This has to be it. This has to be it. That again, Drage?
Casey, I will take my hand off if you kiss me.
So you have to take your hand off first.
Ooh.
How much?
You can even make the money fall down by hitting the numbers too. It'll be so pretty.
Wait, can I
And then-
actually? How much is in there?
This is getting
Why are you
real.
sweating?
What do you mean?
This is
No, but you couldn't switch.
I didn't switch. Go back to the footage. I'm trying to get Casey.
Add it up, bro.
Trade.
You were not expecting that, were you?
I've never seen one of these get open before. Oh. So
Truman?
what's stopping us from?
Hey! Truman did make me a deal at the beginning.
That's right.
Drage, you
I know
won.
my
What are you
hand.
doing?
No, I just want the candy.
Oh, Drage. Insane. Thank you, Drage, for the idea. He won. So look at that.
Like, I gotta go put this in my car.
I mean, that's fine. Thank you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This is everything I needed. Bye. I'll cut it early.
Boop.